Hi YouTube. Today I am in a first generation Qashqai, Nissan Qashqai 1.6. From first generation means it's from 2006. It's a 20-year-old car. I've been driving this car for 600 kilometers, 660 kilometers. It's a nice car. It has, of course, like every car, has positives and negatives. If we start with the negatives, it's a 20-year-old car. It has a naturally aspirated engine, which means that although it's 1.6, the car is a bit heavy. You need to rev this engine out in order to make power, and it's noisy. It also has a consumption of a 1.6 liter natural aspirated engine on a heavy car, which means that with regular driving you're around 10 liters per 100 kilometers, and that's quite a lot for this type of era, for cars of this size and small SUVs, I mean. And of course we're not doing some fast driving or anything like that. Even if we wanted to, this car is not capable of doing that. The other bad thing is that the paint is starting to peel off in the roof, in the hood. I don't know if you can see it, but it definitely needs an entire paint job. It has a big fuel tank compared to a small car. I mean, like 65 liters, so you need to put a lot of fuel in it. However, it gives you some range, that 65 liter fuel tank. Of course, we don't have any screens or anything like that. The button here in the radio does not work. Thankfully, the buttons in the steering wheel, they do work, so you mirrors the radio, also has seen better days. But it has electric mirrors. They're folding, but you can fold them only manually. You have some basic information here in your dash. As you can see, it's a bit noisy. It's try to rev it up to 3.5 thousand in order for the car to pull its feet up. But let's focus on the positive. It's a tall car. You have a feeling that you are high and you have good visibility, you have good mirrors. You have tires that have a big sidewall, and I don't remember what exactly is the size of the tires, but we're talking about kind of big tires. And you can kind of take it off-road on gravel and things like that. Now we're doing 100 kilometers with 3,000 RPMs. It has a nice boot space. It has nice seats in the back. It has electric windows front and back. And I think this is a basic trim. It has the 1.6 as I said, although you could buy it with a 2 liter and a diesel engine. The 2 liter I think will be even more thirsty than this one, and I don't know why you would need such a car, but I mean, it's a nice car. I don't know what's their price on the used market, but I have not had any issue with it all the time that I'm driving it. The other strange thing is that when you throw water in the main screen here, the wipers don't work. You have to give it another switch for the wipers to work. I don't you can see. So I have to do this. And the wipers have seen better days. I need to probably, the owner needs to replace the wipers. Fine. We're doing all this driving with AC on because outside temperature is 32 degrees. Which for a car like this without a turbo, it would run even better if we did not have the AC on, because again it is a naturally aspirated engine. On the city, it's or a small village like we are here now, it has a 4.3 meter length, so it's not actually a small car, but it has a good turning radius, more or less, and you can put it up on a sidewalk, although it's not advisable to do that, exactly because it has a good ground clearance. The noises that you hear are not from the car itself. There are some things in the trunk, so it's not so much dingling and dangling from the car itself. Again, it has a nice boot. Everything works, although it's a 20-year-old car. It has 184,000 kilometers, which is okay for a 20-year-old car. It's not too much. Brakes are okay for such a car, and I may also say that the tires on this car are a bit old and need to be replaced as well, but I do not have any issues either on turning the car or braking or stuff like that. The third gear, sometimes it gets a little bit, it refuses to go in, but it might also be me. Although first, second, fourth gear, fifth gear, they all go very smooth. Third gear sometimes. We're third gear, we're an uphill. I don't have full throttle on all the gas, and the car goes, and I have AC on, and again it is a naturally aspirated car. Up to 80 or 90 kilometers, I think the car is perfectly fine. Does not have, of course, car turns. Again, we have like 60 kilometers. I forgot, it does not have a cruise control, of course. Again, basic trim. Very nice that it has those buttons on the steering wheel to change your, like every car of this generation. Anyway, this was it about my short review of this Nissan Qashqai first generation 1.6. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.